This is a Sun Raster graphic. It was used on old Unix workstations. Modern tools like GIMP or XNView can still open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the image. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the RF file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. This RF file utilizes the standard classification for audio file structures. The data structure employs the Sun Raster and RealFlash method. The RF file extension can refer to two distinct formats: Sun Raster images and RealFlash media. Sun Raster images are a legacy bitmap format primarily used on Sun Microsystems workstations. RealFlash files contain streaming media content, often used for online video and audio playback, predating more modern streaming formats. Sun Raster files store pixel data along with a header containing information about image dimensions, color depth, and color map. RealFlash files use a proprietary container format developed by Real Networks, designed for efficient streaming and playback of multimedia content over the internet, often requiring specific RealPlayer codecs. We suggest testing the RF file first with the utility, RealPlayer, from Real Networks. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows gives you quick listening access, but expert-level editing requires dedicated audio suites. We need to force an application link. Right-click your RF file, then click Open with, prioritize RealPlayer if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, use real estate software. Open the file using real estate software, e.g. MLS Client, proprietary listing management system, that uses this data standard. Next, open as text. Open the RF file using a text editor, Notepad, to view the raw data, as it is often a plain text structure. Finally, convert to CSV. Use an online converter or specialized tool to convert the file to a universal format like .csv. With the manual compatibility check complete, we know the issue is deep and technical. The final step is to use a software solution built for stubborn RF files. This RF problem is solved with FileMagick. It's the recommended universal file opener. Buy it now at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way. Until the next video, goodbye.